Alright folks, welcome back to Epic Auto Sales. If you're looking for an amazing work truck, we have it here for you today. We have a 2003 Chevy Silverado base model truck. Let's go ahead and check it out. It does have extremely low miles. Being that it's an 03, I would say we will find some imperfections on this vehicle. But I just want to remind everyone, all our vehicles carry 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty, including this one right here. Also, if you want to check out additional pictures on this vehicle and Carfax report, please visit our website at www.epicautosalestx.com. Or you can contact one of my sales consultants at 281-955-6555. Let's take a quick walk around and see what we can find. Right off the bat, see a little dent right there on the bumper. Chrome trim. White body, it is a base model. Sorry about the rain, folks. Now, here's our warranty, like I was saying. Now, this vehicle does have lightly tinted windows. The wheels and tires are in great shape, both front and back. Does have these aftermarket taillights. It's very common for these work trucks to have issues with the bumpers, but honestly on this one, I don't see too much, nor on the tailgate, except for these items right here, which is perfectly normal. For being an 03, the tailgate's actually the tail end of the vehicle is actually real good. I don't see any major scratches or dents or anything like that. Like I said, all the tires are actually in good shape. It is a base model, so let's go ahead and check it out. This will be pretty quick. Basic door panel. You do have these little compartments down here at the bottom. Manual window adjustment. Locks. The interior, like I said, is very base. Just want to give us a good view. It is cloth, manually adjusted. You have these levers here. You have this lever here at the bottom as well. There is this little tear in the seat, but that's pretty common being that it's a truck. People sliding out of the seat, getting their keys or wallet tied up to the cloth. It happens all the time. Otherwise, in real good shape. Let's jump on in. Give this puppy a turn. This is stick shift. Beautiful. Alright, does have low fuel. That's not our concern. This puppy only has 21,687 miles. And it's an 03. It's absolutely a great vehicle. Interior's in good condition. Get your radio, AC unit. Like I said, it is a manual, 5-speed adjustable. You do have cup holders here. You have a little compartment there, and your little ashtray right there on that side. All right, let's go ahead and jump to the back. Jump to the passenger side so we can actually check it all out. Absolutely nice. This is definitely a work truck. What else can you ask for? Same basic door panel, manual windows, manual locks. The cloth on the passenger seat is actually pretty good. Again, they are manual. Okay. Let's go and check out the glove compartment. You do have an owner's manual here, as you can see. 2003 Silverado. Alright folks, if you're interested in an excellent work truck or just any basic transportation, please contact us here at Epic Auto Sales, 281-955-6555, or you could always find additional pictures on this vehicle at www.epicautosales.tx.com. And I want to remind everyone, this vehicle and all our vehicles carry a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. Thank you very much, and until next time.